Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add button animations onto your Wix Studio website. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and first things first, we'll need to add a button right here. So we'll just first click on add elements, and then from the search bar, we can just search for button, and then we'll go ahead and click on add button onto our website. And now you can drag and drop your button into anywhere that you like. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. It depends on your preference. So if you want to add our button animation, we'll just click on the button right there, and then we'll go here to the right side of the screen and open the expector that has an arrow icon. Once we click on it, we can go here. So this one is the design page. You can go ahead and change the design of your button. You can change your color if you want to. You can change the text. You can change the font size, and so on and so forth. It just depends on your preference. So now we'll focus on the button animation. So we'll just click this icon right here. That's like a lightning, and then we'll have our options right here. So the most common button animations are hover and click. So we'll just use the hover animation. And then you'll have different preset animation right here. So for example, we have the expand, we have the shrink, we have the skew, you have the twist, you have the fade, we have appear. So it just depends on your preference on what animation that you want to use. So I'll just use the expand button animation. And then if you want to adjust the animation further, we can just click here on adjust animation. You can change the scale. So if you want to preview this, just click on preview. If you want to make it bigger, you can do so as well. You can make it smaller. And then you can change the duration. For example, you can choose 1 second, but it's too long, so we'll stick with 0.4. And then the delay if you want to, and then if you want to change the easing of the effect. Then once you're done, you can just customize your button further by just exploring these different options right here. So for example, I want the corners to have a rounded corner. We can just change its pixels, and now we see it has rounded corners. And then if you want to change the color, if you want to change the text, you can just do so as well. Just explore the different features that Wix Studio has. And if you're done with your button, we can just click on preview. And then once we hover on our button, we now have our button animation onto our Wix Studio website. So that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to add animations to your button in your Wix Studio website. And thank you for watching this video.